to accumulate, to gather, to collect, to assemble.
Aggregate.
Ability to reason and understand, cleverness, brilliance, information.
Intelligence.
Small machine that makes computations.
Calculator.
To create, to produce, to bring into being.
Generate.
To characterize, to depict, to describe, to present, to emphasize.
Feature.
To support a proposal or statement, to endorse, to approve, to help, to assist.
Affirm.
Happening often, regular, common, usual.
Frequent.
Messenger, company that delivers messages, documents, parcels, etc.
Courier.
Goods, ware, stock, articles or items to be sold.
Merchandise.
Of a smaller version or dimension.
Downsize.
Excellent, having superior characteristics, fine.
Quality.
Hardly, scarcely.
Barely.
To exclude, to leave out, to skip, to protest, to object.
Accept.
Relative highness or lowness of a sound, tar, asphalt, throw.
Pitch.
To take a picture.
Photograph.
To plan, to design, to name, to call.
Style.
To prepare a financial plan, to make financial arrangements.
Budget.
Telephone conversation, visit, invitation, claim, need.
Call.
Declaration, notice, the act of informing the public.
Announcement.
Clearly, straight, frankly, immediately, soon.
Directly.
To come to a sum, to become, to total.
Amount.
Unbelievable, inconceivable, fabulous, great, amazing.
incredible,
To postpone, to hinder, to linger, to move slowly, to loiter.
delay,
To arrange according to dimension.
size,
Unlicensed, forbidden, unlawful.
unauthorized,